Hello class, welcome back again to the Chima dedicated video channel. In this video I want to show you how to host your ebook on Selar for free and make money. If you have written ebook recently, like in our ongoing class, we are training teachers on how to create multiple ebooks, standard sellable ebooks by the assistance of AI. So for most of us who have been able to do this, it's not all about creating ebooks. You can create thousands of ebooks. Then what the question is, why are you wasting your time, your money, making payment for the training and all that if you cannot sell it? So my constitution at this time is how to sell this indirectly. For now, you are not yet talking about Amazon KDP. That course is also there. People are getting it. But you can quickly sell without much headache, setting up this, setting up that. So how do you sell on Selar? Selar One is one of the biggest marketplace here for Nigerian, creators, content creators. You can do it, sell your course, sell your ebook, sell your membership course and all that. So let me show you exactly how to go about making money by selling ebook on Selar. The first stage is to sign up to Selar. You are going to see a link to sign up to Selar in this video description, or if you can't see it, quickly ask us using the comment box on this video. Now, this is Selar for you. If you want to sign up, now you are going to either you have a link that takes you through registration, or you just quickly go to their site automatically. You're going to see start selling with Selar. Let me click on it because that's the registration process. Let me just show you what you are going to, register with. Now, the reason why you are possibly seeing this, what you're seeing now is not a registration, guide or page, because I'm already logged into my own account. But registration is very simple. All you're doing is just putting your email, putting that, just very simple registration. It doesn't take you much. So once you're registered, you're going to find yourself on your dashboard. So at this dashboard, I want to show you, because you want to host your ebook. Very simple. Don't bother yourself for any other thing. Let's quickly go now. You are seeing this drop down here. This drop down that is here. The link, please, we are going to click on it. Just click on that drop down. Having clicked on the drop down, you are seeing all of these things: home, sales, products, show love, customers, affiliates, coupons, and so many of them sales pages and all that. If you click on sales now, you're going to see all the sales I've made so far, both the ones that are free product people bought, and people are good at buying free products. Now, both the ones that are paid for. Now, but my interest is to click on product because I want to host another product. That's what I want to teach you right now in this video. That should matter to you. So I'm going to click on product. Now, there are options. All products. If I click on that, I'm going to see the products I've created here so far. The ones I call feature products are their product categories I created for myself. If you have ebooks, you create ebooks on finance and money making. You create ebooks on love and relationship. You create ebooks on education and whatever. You may have your category, so that anyone you create, you launch into this category. Just is very, very important. Very, very good to do that. So that's why that category is there. Now, you have their subscribers, those who have subscribed, to always be there, for you. So, but I want to click on add product because that's exactly what I'm teaching you. So I click on add products. Now, when you see add products, the question is, what type of products do you want to add here? You are going to see there's physical products, digital products, tickets, subscription service. Now look at these other ones. These other ones are the ones, before you do that, you're going to pay for them. You can, host courses that are hosted on Selar. That means when people purchase these courses, they are going to attend the class on Selar platform. You're not directing them to a third-party, website. And that one, you have to register for a pro account with Selar for you to do that. But as a beginner, you don't need to do that for now. Are you also streaming online? That is only video or audio for those who are podcast, and you want people to be part of it. They pay for it. You have to register as a pro user. The membership course hosted on Selar, this one is still coming up. Flexible subscription. something like monthly subscription for a particular special course, people pay for. If you are going to host that one on Selar, then you have to be a pro user. But that shouldn't bother you. Our interest now is on hosting digital products. So we're going to click on it. Digital products. This says sell any kind of digital product, from ebooks to any downloadable product to music to courses and all that. Now I'm going to click on next. I click on next. Let's see what happens right now. It's coming up. I want to show you what you should do once you get here. Everything must be ready before you start this journey. I'm going to show you. You are done creating your ebook. It is time now to start selling it. This is time to know whether you have what it takes to sell your ebook. Because once you're able to do that, you can go ahead and create ebooks upon ebooks. If you're a school owner, you can make it part of your ICT strategy or whatever policy in the school. Every term, or even your senior secondary children, you teach them how to create ebook with AI, and that becomes their project. Create ebook on this, create ebook on this, and they publish, they send to the school. We all do that. If it's a situation where we have an agreement, if your ebook sells very well, we're going to give you a portion. Children will be very interested. And that's how to develop their skills at an age like this. And they learn how to make money while still in school. So let's quickly look at this. Now, once you click on that point and you find yourself here, let me now explain this. This explanation is enough. Now, what are you going to do? The first thing is, you should have your product image. And that's why in my class, when I teach people about creating a book or contents like YouTube channel, whatever, I'll definitely going to be dishing out videos on graphic design. How to do Canva graphics and all that, because you must create your own image. You cannot go online and start looking for someone that have done an image on ebook, you upload it. No, it must be something custom to you. So an image concerning this product details, you just have an image design. Buy ebook on this, and then that image you have already designed or saved in your device. At this point, you click on this place. It will take you to your device. You upload that image. It's standing there. That's number one. Then number two is to put the name of that product. Are you getting it? Now, getting the name of the product may not necessarily be the name of that ebook. You need to understand. Let's say you have written an ebook on love and relationship or romance. But now, you now say the name of the product could be Get Your Love Life Back. But that's not your ebook title. But you know that title will attract people's interest. They know this book have to do with relationship. Now, at that moment, are you selling this whatever product for free? Somebody will wonder, why are you asking us whether we're selling on free? Yes. If you start new when it comes to content creation, ebook and all that, you may do something free, because nobody yet knows you, know what you can do. So by the time you don't want free and people read what you've done and feel it's okay, then they start looking for you. So but at this time, I know your interest may not be for free. So that amount you want to sell it, please put it. If you are in Nigeria, you're going to see this. If you're in other countries, you are still going to have more than 8 or up to 10 countries in whose payment system you can use US dollar, pound sterling, all these Ghana cedis, and so many of them Africans can use this. So make sure you let this be according to your own country currency. If your country currency is not there, then use US dollar. That's very important. Now, after putting that, you now take your time and type a brief. That brief you're going to type about that ebook, because you need to tell people a bit about the ebook. You might need to go to your ebook where you have written that ebook and copy the preface to your ebook. This is so it's not difficult. Or your introduction to that ebook. When you wrote that ebook, you wrote an introduction. You can just copy and paste it here. That's introduction. You have done that. It doesn't stop there. Now you choose your ebook category. Now click on it. Look at it. The ebook, is it on health and finance? Is it on wealth? Health and fitness. Is it on wealth and finance? Is it on business? Is it on marketing and sales? Is it on content and media? Is it on love and relationship, software and tech, arts and craft, faith, Maybe something on Christian and all that, faith. Is it on professionals? Is it on lifestyle and all that, fashion and wears, electronics and gadgets, health and beauty, sports and gaming, baby, home and office, automobiles, aviation, personal and professional development, self-help, education. Can you see? Almost every niche you can talk about have been covered. So assuming you are Ebooks on this category of, let's say, faith. Now you also choose a subcategory. Is it on sermon or wise words or prayers? Maybe on sermons. You understand? Now, if this product has variants, like different tier, different packages, add-ons and sizes or colors, you need to, click here and tell us about those variants. Maybe this product will have the blue color, will have the red color, will have only two colors, red, blue, black, and I get it. If it doesn't have, it's the same thing for everyone, then there's no need for putting this. You move on. At this moment, product type is digital product, it's already there. Is it a pre-order product? What does it mean to talk about pre-order product? A pre-order product is a product where it's not yet completed, but people start paying for it. But as a beginner, nobody may give you that chance. These are people who are already influencers, who have made a mark. There are people in the world today, once they go online and say, we are having a program coming up next year, the fee is 100,000 naira. It's next year, people are already paying. It's pre-order. The program is not yet held in, it's not even started. But people will pay. The same way on ebook. If you have made a name, you go online and say, I'm writing, and our ebook will be ready by the end of next month on sorting. And registration payment has started. People start paying because they are looking forward. So that's pre-order. But as a beginner, you may not yet be at this level. So don't click on that particular column. Please leave it. You're not doing that. Now, give buyer access to a file. Now, because it's an ebook, once the buyer purchases, make payments, the buyer should see a link leading to downloading the file because it's an ebook. So this one, as it's checked, leave it that way. And now, the question is, will the buyer see the file to download from Selar here? And will the buyers download the file and make use of it? Or is this particular file read only that should be read online, even on this Selar and under PDF? So if that is the case, you click on this, you choose this option. But I will always want you to go through this option. Allow the buyer to download and make use as he wishes to do. As long as you did your right setting in your ebook. If you want your ebook in a way where whoever that buys this ebook from me will not be able to sell it to another, will not be able to edit it and put his name on there, you have done that already, so you are not afraid. Buyer, you are free to download this ebook and start using it. Now, the question again is, when you are telling the buyer that is going to buy this ebook, once he makes payment, the link where he's going to download this ebook, is it within Selar or an external link? Maybe a Google Drive link or your website link where the ebook is hosted primarily. If that is the case, you check this. You check this button. And in that case, you are going to type the URL of that particular site. You know that anything called hyperlink has URL. Even if you go to your Google Drive now and copy any work there, you are going to see the URL. So copy it. You can use the bit.ly shorten it so that you look professional and come here and paste it. So what does that mean? Immediately you are done with all of this, you will now click on create product. Your product is ready for sales. It will be active. So anybody that sees that product and clicks to pay, if it's 1,000 naira you are selling it, once he makes payments, the system gives the person automatic link to download that product. And the link will take the person to that link you have shared. Make sure it's the right link. It's not a link that is not working. Immediately tells that the person will be able to download that product. And he has paid for it. He is now using it. This is exactly how to start with Selar and sell your ebooks on Selar. If this video makes sense to you, don't just stop and run away. Give us a thumbs up in this video. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel. You can see what we do here. this edtech content. We'll learn a lot of practical things you can do to make money, to also create content, to become a digital content creator. So subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So once we release a new video, you'll be notified first by YouTube. I want to stop at this point. If you want to join us in our ongoing courses on ebook creation with AI as a teacher or anyone, please let me know through this comment box, and I'm going to direct you on how to be part of that, because we are going to the 3rd batch now on that training. I wish you the best. I stop here at this moment. Thanks for watching.